Hi, my name is Melissa DeWeese, and for over 20 years now, I have been helping employers in and around the area of their employee benefits. And at this point, I have helped hundreds of employers maximize their employee benefit spend. And today, we are going to talk about employee communication. And in this video, I'm going to provide tips and strategies on how to effectively communicate your employee benefit offering with your employees. As a decision maker within your company, offering a comprehensive employee benefits package is vital to attracting and retaining top talent. But simply offering benefits is just not enough. It is also important to effectively communicate the value of those benefits to your First, it is important to make sure your employees are aware of the benefits that are being offered to them. This might sound like stating the obvious, but I see so many employers onboard employees and really skip over a lot of really important benefits information. According to a study by the Society of Human Resources Management, only 55% of employees reported that they feel they have a clear and concise understanding of their employee benefits package. It is important to make sure that all employees receive consistent, ongoing information in and around their employee benefits. This can include things like benefit summaries, benefit guides, pre-recorded education meetings, open enrollment meetings, one-on-one education benefit fairs, of course open enrollment meetings, and so on. Also consider how to make employee benefits more tangible for your employees. One way to make your employee benefits more tangible and concrete to your employees is to provide examples. According to the National Business Group on Health, employees who understood their benefits were not only more likely to use them, they were also more likely to report higher job satisfaction. Making sure employees have examples on how to use their benefits, when to use their benefits, and the purpose of the benefits that you offer is paramount in making sure the employees feel comfortable in using and comprehending their benefits. You can also use comparisons to show what the employee would pay if they didn't have benefits versus the benefits that you do offer. In addition, it is extremely important that the employees know their resources. If there is an issue, who to call. If their spouse has a question, who do they call? Make sure you have a place of reference for those employees to access vital resources and customer service information for them to reach out. This can include things like benefit guides, online portals, customer service hotlines, chats, email communications, or in-person support, or even the HR staff. By providing employees with these resources, you can ensure that they're getting the maximum usage and maximum value out of the benefits. I mean, you're spending so much money on these benefits. We really want to make sure that the employees know how to use them and feel comfortable using them. I hope this video provided you some ideas and tips and strategies on how to effectively communicate employee benefit topics with your employees. And if you have any questions or want to learn more about the topics that I've reviewed today, please feel free to reach out to me. I have a link down below. I do require a very short questionnaire to be filled out prior to scheduling a meeting with me. It's about a 10-question questionnaire. It'll take just a few minutes, and I will give you up to 30 minutes of my time if you're an employer or a decision maker within your company or business. Thank you for hanging out until the end, and we'll see you next time.